Dr. FileFinder. Welcome to part 2 of our special Butterscotch.com 10-part series on TextExpander. Now in this segment I'm going to talk about installation of TextExpander, and just in case you don't have access to the show notes where I have a download link, you can get the program from the TextExpander homepage, or you can go to twocows.com, click here on the Mac tab. In the search box just type TextExpander. Program will come up. You can click here, go to the download page, just click download now. It'll automatically download, or you can select the download location. And then once the program has downloaded, it'll end up here. Double click on the DMG file to install it. Now once TextExpander is installed, it installs in the System Preferences. Want to open up System Preferences. You can do that by clicking on it in the dock, or you can click on the apple and use the System Preferences. Now you see here's TextExpander in the System Preferences pane. But in order to use it, you have to go in Universal Access, come down here and make sure that Enable Access for Assistive Devices is checked. Must be checked in order for TextExpander to work. When you're done with that, you can go back. Here's TextExpander. You now have it installed and ready to go. And that concludes part 2.